If you own a Ring doorbell, law enforcement may have access to your footage without you ever knowing. This isn't a conspiracy theory. This is happening right now. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to protect yourself. Welcome to Tech for Grown-Ups. And on this channel, we help people who are 55 and over take control of their technology and their privacy. In October of 2025, Amazon's Ring partnered with a company called Flock Safety, a surveillance company that provides AI cameras to police departments around the country. Here's what makes this concerning. ICE, the Secret Service, and federal agencies already have access to Flock's camera network. Through this partnership, Flock can now potentially access footage from millions of Ring cameras. That means your doorbell could be feeding into a massive surveillance network. This isn't the first time Ring has shared data with law enforcement. Back in 2022, Amazon admitted they gave police Ring videos 11 times without getting owner permission or a warrant. Now, what does this mean for you? Every time someone approaches your door, every conversation on your porch, every neighbor walking by, all of that could be accessible to law enforcement agencies through this partnership. And here's the thing, you might never know if your footage was accessed. There's no notification system. The first thing you need to do is set up privacy zones. This lets you block out areas you don't want recorded, like your neighbor's windows or the sidewalk. So now I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to do just that. Open the Ring app and tap the 3 lines in the top left. Select Devices and choose your doorbell. Scroll down and tap Privacy Settings. Select Privacy Zones and draw boxes over the areas that you want blocked. The camera won't record anything inside those zones. Now let's disable the audio. Next, disable audio recording if you don't need it. Your conversations on your porch are private. In the same Privacy Settings menu, toggle off audio recording. Your camera will still record video, but there will be no audio. So now let's talk about using modes. Use Ring's Modes feature to control when your camera records. You can set it to disarmed when you're home so it's not constantly recording. Tap the shield icon at the bottom of your Ring app, choose Disarmed, Home, or Away depending on your needs. These settings take less than 5 minutes to configure, but they significantly reduce what data is available through Ring's surveillance network. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I post tech tips and privacy tips for people who are 55 and over on a regular basis. Lastly, drop a comment below if you have a Ring doorbell and whether you're going to make these changes. I read every comment and answer every question. I'm glad you were able to make it today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. See you soon.